Tired of lag ruining your kill-death ratio? First, head over to ExitLag.com on your computer and create an account. They usually have a free trial, so you can test the waters. Once you've got your account set up, download and install the ExitLag desktop application. Open it and log in. Now, in the search bar, type in the name of the game you're playing on your PS5. ExitLag will display a list of servers. Select the ones with the lowest latency and packet loss. Usually, it automatically picks the best ones for you, indicated by a star or highlight. Make sure you enable the TCP route and UDP route options for the best connection stability. These options optimize how data is sent to the game server. Hit the Apply Routes button at the bottom. This activates ExitLag's optimization for your selected game. Now, head over to your PS5 Network Settings. You'll need your IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway, so write them down. Back on ExitLag, go to Settings and find the PS5 tab. Follow the instructions given. You'll be using the primary and secondary DNS that ExitLag gives you and inputting them into the PS5 network settings. And that's it. Now launch your game on PS5 and enjoy smoother, less laggy gameplay. Get out there and dominate.